A very good morning to all of you. So, in the previous video, it was being discussed how the family they went for a voyage. They went for voyage, and the name of the boat was Wave Walker, and how the narrator he was injured. Now we'll continue that how the survival attempt was being made by the family, because the weather was very bad, the things were going worse, and what attempts were being made by the family. Now the narrator he knew that the boat was flooding with water, but he dared not to abandon the wheel to investigate. Suddenly Mary came and informed him that the boat was sinking as the water was pouring in. Now what he has done is he handed the wheel to her and crawled towards the hatch. And Larry and Herb pumped the water out like madmen. The wooden beams had broken, the whole starboard side and had, just bulged inwards. Then clothes, crockery, tins, toys, charts, everything which was being there in the Wave Walker, they were just floating, and a noise of water was there. All these things were just floating. The boat had been damaged. He somehow managed to reach the children. Sue has a big bump on her head to which he did not pay much attention. He found a hammer, he found a screw and canvas. मतलब अपना जब देखा कि बच्चे को चोट लगी हुई है, इट वॉज देयर शी वॉज हैविंग अ बिग बम्प कि उसका जो हेड पर चोट लग गई थी, बट स्टिल ही इज़ नॉट पेड अटेंशन बिकॉज एट दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइम इट वॉज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ सर्वाइवल. Somehow he managed to stretch the canvas and secure waterproof hatch covers across the gaping holes. Some water continued to come in, but most of it could be prevented from entering the boat. But this was not the end of their troubles. अब इन this we have read कि किस तरीके से जब water अंदर आ गया and everybody was worried, everything was been floating, narrator ने manage किया. He has managed a waterproof sheet, उसको कवर किया, सारे waterproof hatch covers किए, and gaping holes जो है उसमें gap fill किया. तो it was जो है water कुछ हद तक वो boat के अंदर आना बंद हो गया था. But this was not the end. It was not the end of their troubles. Now it was there the condition was getting worse. The hand pump started jamming with the trash floating around the cabin. Soon their electric pump got short circuit and the water it rose in an alarming stage. He found that their two spare hand pumps had been pulled away and by the current along with the forestry sail, the jib, the live boards and the main anchor. He managed to find another electric pump to drain out the water, but the night was एंडलेस. इट वॉज मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स इतनी ज़्यादा लग रही थी कि उन्हें लग रहा था कि ये नाइट जो है वो बहुत लंबी हो गई है. बिटरली कोल्ड रूटीन ऑफ पंपिंग, स्टेयरिंग एंड वर्किंग द रेडियो. हाउएवर व्हाट दे हैव डन इज देयर वाज नो रिस्पॉन्स टू देयर mayday calls as if they were remote corner of the world. Sue's head has swollen alarmingly. She has two black eyes and a deep cut on her arm. She didn't tell the narrator more of her injuries as she didn't want to worry him when he was trying to save them all. मतलब इतनी जो डॉटर है, she was so intelligent, she was so full of emotions कि उसे ये लग रहा था कि मेरे फादर को मैं अपनी बाकी चोटों के बारे में ना बताऊं, सिर्फ उन्हें मेरी एक हेड पर ही चोट दिख रही है, राइट. सो बाकी चोट के बारे में ना बताऊं अपने फादर को, as he is trying to save us all. So this is all for today. Now in the next video we'll just discuss whether the family was able to save themselves. As the title of the chapter, it is clear that we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. So what all hardships they have to face and how the family get out of this tough situation, what was their experiences. Thank you so much. Please do the questions. Please solve your assignments sincerely.